Hello, students. Hope you all are doing good. So, in the last section, we learned about ocean waves and how it causes, right? Okay. So, in this section, we are going to study about ocean tides and ocean currents. First, we are going to study about ocean tides. So, what is meant by ocean tides? The rise and fall of sea water due to gravitational pull of sun and moon on earth are called as ocean tides. So what it means? The combined effects of the gravitational forces that is exerted by the moon and the sun and the rotation of the earth. So what is meant by gravitational force? You all may learn about in lower classes, right? Yeah. So the gravitational force means the force that attracts any two objects with mass. So for example, if we throw any object into the air, it will fall down, right? Why? Because due to gravitational force. That means the object and the earth are attracted to each other due to this gravitational force. So, moon's gravitational force will cause ocean tides. The moon's gravitational fall will generate something called that is tidal force. So, that tidal force will causes the earth and its water to bulge out, which is closer to the moon. So, such bulges of water are called as high tides, and the other sides are called as low tides. So, from this, we can understand the high tides and low tides are caused by moon. Okay, guys? Okay. Next, these tides are divided into two types. What are they? The spring tides and neap tides. So, first, what is meant by spring tides? When the sun, moon, and earth, which all are aligned in the same line, then the collective gravitational pull of the sun and moon on earth water will strengthen to form a high tide is known as the spring tide. And so what is meant by neap tides? When the sun and moon are at right angles, then the gravitational forces will work against each other, which causing a low tide that is called as neap tide. It means when the sun, moon, and earth are in the same line, and because of this gravitational forces, it will cause us a high tide, which is called the spring tide. And when the sun and moon are at right angles, then it will cause a low tide, which is called as the neap tides. Okay, guys? Okay. Next, we can learn about ocean currents. So, what is meant by ocean currents? The movement of oceanic water on the surface and at the depth in a definite direction is called ocean current. That means the water moves at the upper layer and beneath the water, that means underwater surface in a definite direction, is called as the ocean current. So these ocean currents are generated due to three reasons. What are they? Earth rotation, prevailing winds, and difference in temperature and salinity of ocean water. That means due to the rotation of the earth and due to the winds, then due to some changes in climatic temperature, and also the due to the salinity of the water. Okay, so this ocean currents is of two types. What? Warm currents and cool currents. So what is meant by warm currents? Warm currents is nothing but the ocean currents which originate near the equator or lower latitudes and move towards the poles or higher latitudes is called as warm currents. Okay, so what is meant by cold currents? Here, when the ocean currents which originates near the poles or higher latitudes and move towards the tropics or lower latitude, that means opposite to the warm current, which is called the cold currents. So this is about the movement of ocean water. That means the difference between waves, tides, and ocean currents. Thank you, guys.